Hey, grade sevens. So the video you're about to watch this evening is on 3.8, solving percent problems. This is something that comes in very handy in your life. You use this one, probably this outcome you'll use more than any other ones in the future. All right. So look at that sales tag right there in the middle of the screen. Big sale, up to 50% off. So today, all we're going to really look at is like how you can figure out a percentage off of a price. How much do you save? How much money do you save? That's really what we're looking at today. All right. So the key learnings, there's just one. It's a long sentence. I added a couple text features in here to make things pop. So when we talk about the percent of a number, it can be found by writing the percent as a decimal. So, for example, today you're going to see 70% off. What does that actually mean? Well, we take the percentage, 70%, and we're going to change that to a decimal. And you all know how to do that from the previous lesson. And then once we have that decimal number, 0.7, we then multiply it by the original price. And that tells us how much money we save. Okay, so let's look at that in action here in an example. Take a look. So, a paperback novel. It originally cost $7.99. It's on sale today for 15% off. So, to find out how much you save, you have to calculate 15% of $7.99. Well, how do we do that? Well, look at the book. Love that book. Free as a Bird. It's the one we're reading in class right now. So let's say, how much money would we save on this novel here if it was 15% off of $7.99? Well, first off, we take the percentage, which is 15%, and we have to write it as a fraction. We know that 15% is 15 out of 100, which is then really easy to write as a decimal. Now, once you figure out this decimal number, like, game over. It's that easy. Okay, so 0.15 are 0 and 1500ths. So we take that number then and we multiply it by the original price. In this case, $7.99. Okay, so what does that end up equaling? 1.1985. In all my times buying coffee at Tim Hortons in the morning, I have never received $1.1985 change, right? So we know when we're talking about money, it goes to two decimal places. So in this case, we'd round to the second decimal place, and that is the 9. And when we round decimals, all we do is look to the right. If it's 5 or higher, it goes up. So in this case, the 9 goes up, becomes a 0, and that makes the 1 a 2. So it's actually equal to $1.20. So that's how much money we would save um, buying this novel at 15% off. Okay. There's another step involved I might challenge you with and say, well, how much would it actually cost you to buy the novel? So then you would have to subtract the $1.20 from the $7.99 to figure out how much the book costs. And this, anyways, so that's your video for today. All right. Good luck with that.